To transform portraits using a FacePoke AI tool, start by searching for Expression Editor on Google. Scroll down and select the Expression Editor option, which will open up the editor. To begin, press the Duplicate this space button to skip the line and enjoy faster image processing with your preferred GPU. Next, delete the original space and start working on your portrait by dragging and dropping the image into the editor. The editor allows you to adjust various facial features, including rotating the head up and down, and tilting it from left to right. You can also modify the eyebrows, eyes, and mouth expressions. Options include making the subject blink or wink, adjusting pupil position, and altering the shape and size of the mouth. Additional settings permit you to change the sample ratio, crop factor, and output format. Before generating the final image, ensure the output format is set to JPEG or PNG for easy access on any computer, and select the desired image quality, with 100 being the highest. After submitting your changes, the editor will process the image, which should take around 7 seconds. Once the processing is complete, click the download button to save your transformed portrait.